Okay, so today I want to stop for a second and focus on one situation that occurs sometimes with WooCommerce. I will read the notification I have. Your team, Cadence Child, contains outdated copies of some WooCommerce template files. These files may need updating to ensure they are compatible with the current version of WooCommerce. Suggestions to fix this. Update your team to the listed latest version. If no update is available, contact your team author asking about compatibility with the current WooCommerce version. 2. If you copied over a template file to change something, then you will need to copy the new version of the template and apply your changes again. Alright, so we're going to view the affected templates. In my case, what I've done, I have basically changed the emails of WooCommerce in order to customize certain things, specifically the header and I think also, yes, the footer. There we go. That was not changed, so it's not out of date. But the customer completed order, the customer on hold order, the customer processing order, and also this other file over here, which is a plugin, Who Extras. All right, there we go. Anyway, so we're going to check those files and compare them with the core version. All right, so let's dive in. Go to the server. So first of all, let's go. I use FTP, so FileZilla, and I want to go into my Cadence Child team. All right, so WP content, themes, Cadence Child. All right, let's drag everything on the left. Okay. Let's open the template over here. Okay, there we go. WooCommerce, emails, and these are the files. Okay, so let's check this first one, customer completed order, because yes, this is the first one. This is the version 3.7.0, but the core version is 9.7.0. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, now we are going to open the core one. To get the core one, we have to go to WooCommerce plugin. So plugins, WooCommerce, there we go. And we have to find, I think it's here. Emails. There we go. All right. So WooCommerce emails. All right. So I'm gonna create a folder here named core so that I can distinguish them, and I will drag all these PHP files into my core. So the first one is customer completed order. There we go. And then email header. There we go. Also email footer, even if it wasn't changed. Then customer processing order, customer on hold order, and then invoice and pro forma. What are those? Those are not, yeah, those are something else. So I will ignore them. So let me drag them over here. Okay. I will open the customer completed order. So there we go. We have this one, it's the old one, and this one is the new one. Okay. So 3.7.0 and 9.7.0. All right. I click here in order to split the editor and compare them. So there we go. All right, so the first one is, I noticed that the new one, it's gonna use these automatic WooCommerce utilities. All right, so that's one thing to notice. Then we have also these email improvements enables. All right, and then the hooked WC email starts just like here. Do action, all right. Then we have a new line here, the line 31, which is different. That's right. Again, email improvements enabled. All right, fine. So let's go and check where was my customization. I'm trying to actually find out what I have changed. Wow. I guess this email doesn't have a lot of customization I did. Yeah. All right. Well, then what I can do now is to go into my theme, because I noticed that the customer completed order, it's not necessary that was customized. So this is probably an old file. Anyway, I noticed this, and I go into the Cadence child, WooCommerce emails, and I just remove this. And when I remove this from the child theme, the WooCommerce is gonna take the core one, which is fine in this case because I don't have any customization. Now let's go to the next file, which is the customer on hold order. I believe also this file didn't have any particular thing. So anyway, let's check. All right. So let's open this one first. All right. And then the core one. All right. Let's split the screen and see. Okay. So we see that there is this new features utilities from WooCommerce that was integrated. Okay, we have the header. It's good. And then we have the usual message. Okay, so here we actually have a customization. So after this comment over here, there we go. Then we have this text, which was hard-coded, probably not the best, let's say, practice, but I just want this message to be sent out. We have this new line with email improvements, which start over here, so that's fine, leave it there. Go down, do action, that's fine, that's same. All right. If additional content, we have some improvements over here, and then everything else is the same. Good. So we have let's say we have fixed this file. We're gonna save it, and this time from the core we are going to move this one into the Cadence chart. There we go. Now next file is going to be the customer processing order. All right, let's close everything here, otherwise I go into confusion. All right, so the customer processing order, this is the core one. Let me open before, there we go, before this one, and then I will open the core one, split the screen and check. All right, we have the usual new utilities from Automatic. All right, we had again these improvements. That's fine. And there we go. After this do action WooCommerce email header, we're gonna leave the improvements, but then we will add our own sentence, which is instead of this one. All right, there we go. We're going to leave again the email improvements, and then let's check the rest. It should be the same. There we go. Yes, it's the same. So we're going to save the core and update. Great. All right. Now, if we now update this page, if we refresh, we should see these 3 files not present anymore. Let's see. Okay. Probably there is some, let me check. Customer processing order on hold and completed. Okay, let's refresh here. Maybe some cache. Probably clear systems as cache. All right, so we have we're gonna have to clear the cache over here. There we go. Clear. Oh, there we go. I had to clear the system status team cache. All right. Now we're going to recheck the affected templates and see if what I said was true. Yes, it is true, because these overrides are now fine. All right, let's check the email header now. Email header. Okay, well, let's start by closing everything and reopening, not the core, but the customized one first and then the core. All right, let's keep the same method. So we proceed with order. Okay, so we see again the utilities, and then there's a doc type opening. Something's happening there. Fine. All right, deliberately empty to support. Good. You need to add. All right, so now here is start the customization of the header, which was an important part of my email coherence strategy. Let's call it like that. Now we just have to locate where this is starting. There is some customization here also as far as the font is concerned. So the customization is actually starting probably deliberately. Div ID wrapper, table border, template header image. Where is it? There we go. Probably it's around here. Well, probably there's something different here. Email preview. They have made some changes here, so I have to be careful in this case. Template header image. All right, so I guess this is the point where I have started my customization. Exactly, yes, there we go. So I have started my customization from this opening of the cell. All right, so I have to remove this, and then I have to remove all that table. Yes, that's right. And this goes down quite some time. The body content inner. There we go, content inner. All right, so the change is, there we go, from here, so and the header. Okay, needs to header. All right, good. Could be even this one. It could be this one. That's right. It could be this one. Wrapper. Yes, it's this one. There we go. So let's grab this, which is my header, my custom header. Copy it and paste it right there. There we go. File, save. Good. And email header, let's upload it there. Good. This is a plugin, so I'm going to ignore it for now. And there we go. We're gonna clear the system status theme cache. There we go, clear. Let's go back and check the affected template. There's no message anymore, so we're good. We are good. There's no more problem. So let's go and check. There we go. All these files are now fine. Excellent. So this is how you solve the notification from WooCommerce about files that have been updated. If you have any questions, let me know.